she fine. Oh, there we go. The day that we, well, me, in general, have been waiting for. The first mile to the vet. There we go. Alright, we done. Alright, people, so today's the day that we've all been waiting for. I don't know if y'all been waiting for this, but the day that I've been waiting for. It's the day that we finally put the first mod on the vet. This is something that I've been waiting for a while to get to the damn house. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I mean, you guys already know what it looks like. Got the air raid. Let me go ahead and just open it up for you guys. Alright, so we got the instructions, stickers, that to the side. I opened this yesterday, so don't mind me. Got the, oh shit, I took it, oh god, I already fucked up. Oh, thank you, Jesus. So we got the actual air duct itself. Looks pretty nice. I didn't even open it. I don't want to open it. I'm gonna guard this thing. Think of a jiggy. Material, so I need. Let's see how the fuck you. This is. Hold on. See. Complicated. Alright, so let's start off with the instructions for the first one. So the first step was to disconnect the battery. I did it on the back. I didn't like going to the front. Disconnected the negative part of the battery, 10mm socket. I was trying to figure out what it was for the longest. So I did that in the back. Now I got to get all to the front. It's clip. Next thing to do is remove this from the master airflow sensor. Got that off. I think I'm gonna wait to take this off because I need a start key and I need to go find a start key. A bit of muscle work. I pulled that out. Looking pretty clean, decent down there. I don't know if I should clean it up down there or not. Next step is to get the grommets off of everything and to get the start key, and I have to find the start key. Like always, my luck never tends to be on my side. This start key doesn't fit with the start key on here. I'm definitely gonna have to try to go to AutoZone, but I'm just gonna try to do everything else. But that's the easy part. That's super easy. I'm just gonna try to do everything else besides that, because I ain't finna be up here wrestling with all that shit. That's too much, man. So let's keep going. The show goes on. The next step would be to set up the new air tank. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and put all this stuff together so that it'll be ready and easy to put on. Just get it all in just one. Like I said, it's always my luck. I gotta go to AutoZone to buy a hex key because apparently hex keys are very common when working on a vet. So, I don't know who created hex keys, but you, sir, you deserve to get your ass beat. Just in general. No comment. Hey, AutoZone, I'm an O'Reilly person, but they close, so I'll do it. Sitting this man. Cool. You get a good picture, man. Vet, never noticed that. 3 minutes into it, everything coming along. I got these two put on. I just gotta take it to the intake manifold, put that on, and we done for it. Say what's up. So it's finally on. Everything's safe and secure. Everything's locked down, locked and loaded. Finna connect the battery and start it up. We're gonna hop in and see what the cold start sound like. Well, not even cold start, but what it sound like in general. the same to me. Don't look the same to me. Not that big of a difference. Let me go ahead and take it out the garage. I'm finna take it on the good old butt dyno. Take it down the street, see how much of a difference I see. See how much of a difference I see. Does all sound good? Big turbo, no, just fine. Let's take it down the street, see how it sounds. So let's see what the good old butt dyno is about. Let's see. More tamed, honestly. It feels a little bit more tamed, and I don't know, something about it. It's not the same, definitely not the same. I just feel like it's breathing better. Maybe I just got used to it already. Time to go back on some more parts. I definitely get more burbles. I've been getting burbles before in this car, but this shit burble like a motherfucker now. So it definitely getting more burbles. Definitely. Finally feels good to finally have that in stock. Well, not in stock, but installed on my car. It's been something I've been waiting for a minute. I ordered it like the 29th, the 30th, one of those days. So I'm glad to just get it in. Finally put it on my car and not be redly modded anymore. You guys don't know what redly modded is. Inside it. So hopefully this continues to mini mod, you know, continues to growing of the car modification. All the other stuff is coming soon, man. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end it here. You guys have a good day. God bless, man. Stay tuned. See y'all later, man. Bye. Love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.